Let's get to the food, folks. We're helping you plan out your holiday meal for the family later this month with some tasty advice from the Wisconsin Beef Council.
Angie Horkan's back to talk about perfecting that holiday roast. We've got a cooked one in front of us.
Yes. Good morning.
Gorgeous.
I've got a done rib roast here. Like, this was about a 5-pound boneless ribeye roast. Baked it, kind of roasted in the oven, 350 degrees, a little over 20 minutes a pound. Used the meat thermometer. So this is a nice pink medium rare. So I pulled it out. You got to pull it out early, let it rest 20. You can let these rest 20 to 30 minutes. Button up all your side dishes, get the drinks ready. It's kind of nice, let it rest. And then I roasted some Brussels sprouts and carrots with it. Now on it, I have an all-purpose prime rib roast rub. So kind of 6 dried ingredients: kosher salt, black pepper, granulated garlic, onion powder, paprika, and dried thyme.
Easy. Most people have those.
You should have them in your pantry. Most of them, maybe not granulated garlic, but you can head out and grab that. Otherwise, just use some garlic powder. Super easy. Rub it all over the roast before you put it in. I'm showing it with a horseradish cream sauce. Very popular with prime ribs. So just kind of a sour cream base with a little prepared horseradish and some chives. But beeftips.com. We have tons of rubs, sauces, side dishes, and accompaniments, and also, too, some nice PDFs, like a nice beef roasting timetable. So, like,
perfect.
Different kinds of roast on here. We covered a lot here in like 3 minutes. And then also a holiday swap, too. So maybe if you're looking for a more economical cut for the holidays, or if you've got family over extended period of time, we've got some fun short rib recipes that are a little more economical, but really nice for this holiday season. So beeftips.com. Right on the homepage, click on Beef Up Your Holidays, and we've got everything right there.
So helpful. This looks amazing. Thank you for taking the time to visit us, Angie.
Of course.